So you've just taken your driving test and it's a really great drive, but you got one serious fault. You just misjudged that traffic light and ended up stopping over the stop line. The problem is, the next test dates are in a few months' time, so 2, 3, 4 months' time. And you don't really want to be having a break of driving for that long, or to be paying for lessons for that long when they're not necessarily needed. So what do you do? Well, if you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a website which will find a short notice test for you. So it basically searches the DVSA system and looks for any nearby tests. So you can specify the test centre you want to use and the times of day and the days. So you could say, find me a test in Crawley between 9 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday to Saturday, and it will then search for test dates on those. And basically what it's doing is it's looking for any cancellations, because often people cancel their test and move their test date if they're not quite ready. So if you're ready, you can then take that cancellation to the system. We'll find those cancellations and then notify you of them. It'll send you a text or an email, and then you can just reply back saying book, and you can then book that test straight away. So it's a very good system, and I've used it in the past and found it very useful and very successful at finding a shorter notice test, so we don't have to be waiting 2, 3, 4 months for the next test date when someone's ready to take a test now. And make sure you do use my link in the description, because you get a bit of a discount by using that link.